How to fix Grindr app not working or opening connection problem. Hello guys, in this video we can talk about how can you fix the Grindr problem. It's not working, application not opening or connection related issue. So follow our steps and your problem will be fixed. First of all, close your Grindr app, then open your mobile phone settings, then click on apps and notification and apps option, find in settings. Just click on here and you can see all application of your phones. Scroll down, here you can find the application of Grindr. Just click on here, then you need to go to storage option, click on storage and then clear storage or clear data. Click on here, clear data, clear storage and just clear data of the Grindr application and come back. Click on back button and here is the permission, allow all permission applications like location permission, allow it, and you can see also microphones and phones permission. All permission you need to just click on allow button and allow all permission. Okay, so it's a first step. You need to just close your settings and then open your Grindr mobile application, turn on mobile data. If it's not on, so on your mobile data and then check, enter your email address and password and then check, your problem will be fixed. But still if you have facing the error or problem, so you need to just open your mobile phone Play Store and search here Grindr, right here spelling of Grindr, or you can see here application. You just need to update your application. When you update it, your problem will be 100% fixed. So this is the two steps you just need to follow it, and then you can your application will be run smoothly. Do not forget to like or subscribe our YouTube channel.